Hey everybody, Brickman91 here, and today we're going to be putting a set together out of the backlog. It's a new set that I just got. It is LEGO City Set 60107 Fire Ladder Truck, and I am super excited about this one. I love the fire truck sets, and this one looks even cooler. Looks like they included a stud shooter there to represent the hose, which is kind of cool. So yeah, we'll get this thing built, and then we'll take a look-see at it at the end. So hope you guys enjoy this, and we'll see you at the end for the review. Alright guys, here is LEGO City Set 60107 Fire Ladder Truck, all completed. Alright, as you can see here, you get two minifigures with it, a female and a male firefighter. The male firefighter has a little breathing apparatus, so he's ready to go into the building. She just has a walkie-talkie with her. Then you get this little barrel that's on fire that you can use to practice with. Then we've got a little storage compartment here on the main fire truck side, which is pretty cool. The ladder moves up and down. Really cool is what they did with this. They made it like an actual hydraulic pump, so it obviously it's only friction powered, but it looks like an actual hydraulic pump, which is cool. So the ladder moves up and down, and those move with it to keep it supported. So the friction keeps the ladder up. You can fully extend it like so. So, pretty cool, as you can see. Then behind there, you got some tools. You've got a circular saw for getting into buildings. You got a little hatchet, and then you've got the, turn it around here, the water cannon here, which is attached to a rope, which pulls out there. And this is a stud shooter, so you can load the little water BBs into it and launch them to put out the fire, which is kind of cool. I thought that was a neat little addition to the set. Then you just wind her back up and you store the water gun spigot up there, which is kind of cool. Alright, and then we'll move that out of the way. The roof comes off So you can get into the compartment. You have a compartment for both the firefighter and the guy in the back here. So got a driver and a passenger in here, which is pretty cool. So they're both going here. He doesn't really fit very well with the tanks. He fits in the back. There we go. Sheik drives. He fits in the back with his tanks and all his gear on. So as you can see, both figures fit in the truck, which is pretty cool. Love the front windshield too, nice and clear, and a big windshield, which is nice. Clip the roof back on, and there we go. Store the ladder right there in between those two studs, which is kind of nice. But yeah, all around, pretty awesome little fire truck. One of my favorite builds so far, definitely. I really like this fire truck build. I think it's one of my favorite fire trucks even, actually. So definitely worth the 20 bucks I paid for it on Amazon. If you guys are looking into picking up any fire truck sets, I highly recommend this one. This one is very, very cool. Good for the money too. The stickers weren't too bad either. They went on pretty easy without any issues. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.